Looking for a way to see inside your safe a little easier? Look no further. Today, we're introducing the new GlowFlex safe lights from Liberty Safe. These lights are the perfect solution for illuminating your home or gun safe. Each kit comes with a 15-foot LED flex light strip and a rechargeable motion sensor control box. A full charge with the control box will allow up to 3.5 hours of continuous lighting. Since most people are only in their safe for about a minute or so at a time, that 3.5 hours can last you a long time. And it doesn't have to run off its internal battery either. Depending on where you position the box in your safe, you can leave it plugged in for unlimited, continuous use. The box has 3 settings: off, motion sensor, and manual control. With the box set to manual, you'll turn your lights on and off using the power button. This method will not automatically turn the lights off, so keep that in mind. Installation of these lights is very simple, and we have a great how-to video that shows you exactly what to do, so don't wait. Order yours today. That's it for this video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more videos like this. Also, be sure to follow us on Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok. Be safe out there, and we'll catch you later.